Boxy breaking news. Cue the newsroom music, please. Hello, my YouTube family. Thank you for hanging out with me today. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all well. I have a winter cat walking back and forth. It is finally Saturday. I'm so grateful because I just got my hair done. Whenever I get my hair done, I always feel just a little prettier. Not great, but at least just a little prettier. Wow, prettier. Okay, that was a record, probably less than a minute. I did have to touch up my makeup ever so slightly because you know when you get your hair washed, no matter how careful and good they are, you always just get everything worn off around the sides, and that was fine. But luckily, my eye look with that time of the year palette from Gourmand Girls with 3 amazing creators, one of whom I am friends with and adore. I adore all of them, but I am friends with Debbie from Debuton. It is also in collaboration with Senia and Brutally Honest Beauty. They did a spectacular job with this palette, and I'm so happy that I was able to get it. I love anything holiday themed, you know that. And of course, because I'm wearing blue, I had to go with a blue look today. But you can get so many gorgeous looks. I'm so drawn to the purples, the sparkly duochrome special shades. I just have to tell you, on my eyes, I wear them no matter what look I'm doing because I'm so drawn to them. It is a gorgeous palette. If you haven't heard of Gourmand Girls and you don't follow Christina Gourmand here on YouTube or on Instagram, I'm going to link her and the company below because she is so lovely, so sweet, so supportive, especially of smaller creators, and I am thankful to at least know her on YouTube and Instagram, and I think you guys will love her. So I am ridiculously behind in getting up my videos and even opening my boxes. I have at least 5 to film. I may change, I may run out of steam, and during this session, we're going to see what happens. I'm going to do my best. But first, what I wanted to do is my Boxycharm. This is the regular box. Boxycharm is a $25 a month beauty subscription that comes with 5 full-size products. There are also 2 other tiers to it. The premium, which is now $40, and then the Luxe box, which I have opted out of because it is now $60 and you're getting 8 products. It's weird because the premium box is $40 and you're getting 1 more product, so essentially you're paying $15 for an additional product. I have that one downstairs waiting for me to do, and I'm probably going to do that one next. I want to see how different and how more luxe the items are that we're going to get in that box for that extra $15. So I am excited to see that, but I'm also excited to get into this. I love my subscription boxes. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not so good. But I don't know, it's like a little Christmas gift to myself and a mystery because you do get to choose one of these products. And if you know me, if you've been here for a while, thank you. And if you're new here, hello, hi, I hope you want to stick around. I can't remember my own name on a daily basis, never mind what I picked for my boxes the month before. So usually you will at least get 1 giggle, if not several, out of me opening up my boxes. But anyway, now that I've talked your ear off, because if you don't know, I'm a talker, let's open this up. I was going to take my thumbnail and like, you know what? Let me wait and to see what I got before I actually take my thumbnail. So the thumbnail isn't a misrepresentation of what is inside this box. Alrighty, so here's here's the packaging. Here's the padding. Why? I'm just going to show you. Why even? What does this do exactly? What is this purpose? Did this protect anything? Someone explain to me, because it looks like a used tissue that, and yeah, this does nothing. Alrighty, let me look at this theme this month, and oh, how interesting. This actually a card with, it's usually, use your words, Leann. It is usually a single card. This is a fold out. Let me just tell you what the theme is, for goodness sakes. It is Spellbound. It is October 2021. I said it. I actually said the month and the year of the box that I'm opening. Someone give me a round of applause, please. Spellbound, apropos, appropriate for Halloween and such. And inside, so they're talking about the Boxy breaking news. Cue the newsroom music, please. The drop shop, which happened on the 11th, and then the mega drop shop, which is going to be on November 8th, and says up to 80% off retail. It's formerly the pop-up. The drop shop is now the add-on sale. The mega drop shop is the pop-up sale, and then it says Beauty Bash. Access our annual holiday blowout sale to shop exclusive products, etc. And that starts early November and happens once a year. Okay, we're going to see what that entails. I did order, I think, maybe 2 things from sale on October 11th. Obviously, November isn't here yet, so anyway. Alrighty, right on top I have 2 very pretty bluish purple boxes. That attracted me tremendously. And this is from Tresluce or Tresluce, depending on whether you say it Italian or French or Spanish. I don't know. This I Am Alma set. Alrighty, let's just open her up and see what she is. I literally have no idea what I'm opening here. But this is interesting. At least it's wrapped. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Well, there's a pair of lashes, so I'm going to make the educated assumption that this is a little baby lash glue. They look pretty dramatic, but they are tapered. You know, they're longer on the ends and they do taper in towards the eye. I want to wear lashes more often. I find it pointless because I know that they're going to get uncomfortable throughout the day, and then I'll have to rip my eyelashes off in the middle of school, and the kids are going to think I'm pulling my eyeballs out, and well, I guess that would be good for Halloween, but I really don't like to scare children. And I don't know what this is, but it's very pretty. Again, I really am loving the packaging. Ow! It's a very pretty eyeshadow palette. I didn't expect that. Oh, there's cute little embossings in here. At least there's 2 of them. There are 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. Because it's so tiny, I may as well just swatch the whole darn thing. What? Is this the brand? Yeah, Tresluce or Luce I Am Alma palette. Oh, okay. So I'm going to swatch these puppies. Nice texture on the shimmers. I can tell you all of the textures feel lovely. And there she is. Well, they swatched beautifully. Of course, you know, we can never tell. The matte brown was a little bit powdery, but I'm hoping that it's going to go on the eyes well. I think that the mattes are neutral enough that you can get varying looks. I think it's a cute little, pretty much cohesive palette. And something else from the same brand. Let's see what we got here. And this is like an Artista. It is a 4-piece brush set. Cute little package. If you know me, I do have a thing for brushes. Oh, I like the little plastic things that they came in. It appears we have a nice little blending brush. Beautiful aesthetic, I have to say, on both the ferrule and the handle. It is a beautiful soft matte, and so is the ferrule. I like that touch. I like the uniform color. It feels beautiful in the hand. But from what I can see, I'm thinking, hi brush, that the bristles look quite nice. Well, here we have a nice angled brush. It is a little bit more dense and a little bit more stiff. Okay, this one has a rogue hair. I'm going to do a close-up and see if you guys can see that. I can't see it in the viewfinder, but hopefully in editing you will be able to tell. It's literally like a bristle that's standing up, I'd say at least a 1/4 of an inch off of the brush. This is supposed to be good for under the eyes, at least that's what I use it for. I will have to give it a haircut. I don't know, to me quality control should catch things like that. Again though, texturally in the hand they are lovely. Okay, and this is not too flat. It's a little fluffy, so this might be good for blending. Not bad, except for that one silly little rogue hair. Okay, so what is this? It says, oh, this is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and it says pump up your base. Look at how cute. Now, A lot of my audience is of my age range, so you know what a boombox is. You know how big they were, and you know how popular they were. So the packaging is absolutely freaking adorable. But what is it? Oh, it says multi-use makeup sticks. Oh, look at the packaging with the staff and the music notes going around. Can I read it? Does it make any sense? Oh no, it absolutely makes no sense, and some of the 16th notes are backwards, so it's just aesthetically pretty though. And they're quite large. Sometimes I like these, sometimes I don't. This one says jazz and this one says hip hop. The color is stunning. They're very creamy, and this one is just a beautiful color. Okay, so this one's a matte, and then this one is that shimmer. I think they go beautifully together. I'm very excited for this because I could almost see this all over the lid as a base or a primer. Okay, I didn't even know that Pinky Rose made these, so I'm excited to try them. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacin Mud Dew Drops. I really like Glow Recipe products. The scent alone is just can get me every time. This is a beautiful bottle. You know that I have a ton of skincare, but I do not currently have straight up niacinamide. Since it is in a pump, I don't mind testing it out. Oh, the scent, the scent. It's a very nice texture. Water-like, but still with a bit of a glycerin slip. I've gone through so many of the watermelon sleeping masks, several of the daytime moisturizer. I currently, I think, have the vitamin C thing that I'm working on. Feels lovely. I do know that I like the brand, so I am happy to have that. And they're really not inexpensive, so yay. Okay, this doesn't overly thrill me, but they will come in handy. At least I know I'm going to use the product. It is the Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes Pore Refining Witch Hazel. Look quite large because it's a large package. I mean, so like either they're not folded up or they're just exceedingly large, because here's ones that I got from TJ Maxx for $4.99, so I can't wait to see how much those cost. Okay, so that was my box. Let's get the pamphlet and go over everything and look at some of the prices. Okay, the first thing they are talking about is highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation, which of course I do have, which of course I think a lot of people do. They say that you can use it as a highlighting serum. I mean, it made my hand a little bit glowy, but I certainly, I don't know. It's funny, it does leave like a tacky feel, which is interesting. And they say to make this the last step of your routine, it is $34, so I am very grateful to have it in a box that only cost me $25. So the Tres Luce, I don't know which one it is. The I Am Alma set. It says the complete eye set that includes everything you need for an eye-catching look. I Am Alma palette features a combination of 6 matte and shimmer shades from the Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, okay, it is from, I guess, a larger palette, and my hair is in my face. Okay. They also included a pair of vegan reusable lashes. It is $25, and it's a new launch from them. I'm happy to try it. It's a new brand, so I'm excited. And also, where are you? Why are you hiding from me? Stop hiding. Oh, there they go. The Tres Luce Beauty Like an Artista brush set. They say that they are... Alright, I know I keep doing that. Why do I keep doing that? I'm just going to read. I'm going to try my best not to say they say. These look kind of fun. I'm hoping to maybe try this very, very soon. But it is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Sticks. It is a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer. That's what I think I'm going to use that cream one for. You can also use it on the bottom lash line, water brown, brow bone, or lips. I don't think I would use these on lips, but all the other ones, yes. And the two of them are $20. Honestly, that's not too bad. $10 for each one of the sticks. I'm not mad at that. And the least favorite thing in my box is the Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes. I shouldn't say the least favorite, it's just because it is really useful. I will definitely use these. It's just not as exciting. They call them 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning your skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Aha, but they do tell you that it is especially useful for oily and acne-proof, acne-prone skin. I will probably use these occasionally on my face, but for the most part, I'll use them for swatches here. And see, $20, I don't know about you guys, but I would never, ever pay $20 for makeup wipes. Not when you can get, especially what I use them for, not when I can get them in TJ Maxx. So I didn't pay it, so I'm not upset about it. $126. Okay, that is about average for the box, and I do think the boxes are an excellent value. What makes them less valuable is when you're not going to use the things that you got. So that's the only reason that I would be really disappointed. So again, for this box, each of the items is $5. Would I pay $5 for each of these products? Absolutely. Again, my theory is if I only liked one product, would I be happy having paid $25? You know, honestly, even like with these, I wouldn't have been happy paying $25 for this, you know what I mean? But as far as the makeup things, I probably wouldn't have balked at paying $25 for these. So as I was saying before, Baxter so rudely interrupted me. I think my money was well spent. I'm happy with it. I have some new fun products to try. Maybe I'll even try on the lashes. Please don't quote me on that because I don't want anybody to call me out on it. But maybe one day I will. If I had someplace to go, maybe that would be good, but I really don't do anything. Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping because I'm a yapper and just say that I like my box. Now, I would like to know if you get this box. Speaking of which, read this for you as far as the variation. 011-BA, B for the base, is my variation, if that helps you guys. Baxter, do you want to say hello again to these lovely people? I guess he really loves you guys because... Here, listen. He purrs like a motorboat. Well, my friends, I guess for Halloween, this is just absolutely perfect. So Baxter and I would like to know, if you get the box, what did you get? Because I'm a nosy little girl. And what do you think of my products? Do you like any of them? Have you tried any of them? And just overall, I want to hear your thoughts because that is, of course, the best part of my day. Baxter and I love you so very much. I hope you're all well and taking care of yourselves and each other. If you want to become part of this amazing family, I would love it if you would subscribe. Just hit that little bell, it helps. And of course, my friends, whatever part of the world you're in and around, we hope you have an amazing day. We hope you have an amazing week coming up, and we'll see you really soon in our next one. Say bye, Bax. Say goodbye, Baxter. No, he just wants to purr. Bye, guys. Okay. Good boy, Bax.